Have you noticed that even after you explain yourself clearly, you still feel a pull to add one more reason? You say, "I can't come tonight," and then you immediately explain your schedule, how tired you are, why you should have said something earlier, and how you hope they do not take it the wrong way. You reply late, and instead of just saying, "Sorry, I missed this," you write a whole paragraph proving you were not ignoring them. Or you make a normal decision, and before anyone questions it, you are already explaining why it makes sense. The strange part is, the other person may already have enough information, but inside you, it does not feel finished yet. That is usually where over-explaining starts. So the goal is not to stop explaining completely. Some explanation is healthy. It helps people understand you, gives context, and repairs confusion. The skill is knowing what kind of explanation you are giving. There are 3 types to notice. The first is clarifying. Clarifying means, here is the information this person actually needs. "I can't make it tonight, I have another commitment." That is enough. It gives context without asking the other person to approve your whole life. Now the second is repairing. Repairing means, I caused harm and I am taking responsibility. If you forgot something important, spoke harshly, or affected someone, then explaining can help. But even then, the explanation should support the repair, not replace it. The third is defending. Defending often sounds like explaining, but underneath it, you are trying to prevent judgment. Please do not think I am rude, selfish, or I do not care. In psychology, this can work like a safety behavior. That means you do something to feel less anxious in the moment. The extra explanation gives relief because it feels like you are lowering the chance of being misunderstood or disliked. But over time, it teaches you that your choices only feel safe when you can defend them well enough. So the next time you feel yourself adding another sentence, pause and ask, what is this next sentence supposed to do? If it gives needed information, say it. If it repairs actual harm, say it clearly. But if it is only trying to make someone approve of you, that may be the place to stop. Not coldly or dramatically, just clearly saying, "I can't make it tonight, I need more time," or "that does not work for me." Then let the sentence stand without turning it into a defense.